Yes, you can conquer Indian polity by Lakshmikant in just 15 days. This isn't just a bold claim, it's a time-tested strategy successfully followed by many UPSC toppers. But before we dive into the 15-day plan, let's first understand why Indian polity holds such a crucial place in the civil services examination. Indian polity is one of the most crucial subjects in the UPSC Civil Services examination. It plays a key role not only in the prelims, mains, and interview stages but also after selection, as it remains highly relevant in governance, constitutional provisions, and current affairs. At the same time, polity is considered one of the easiest subjects among all IS topics. A strong grasp of polity helps aspirants tackle both conceptual and factual questions with confidence and efficiency. Polity is that one subject in UPSC that gives more than it takes, minimum effort, maximum output. In the prelims, General Studies Paper 1, Polity and Governance contribute around 15 to 22 questions out of 100, which translates to 30 to 44 marks out of 200. In the mains, General Studies Paper 2, Indian polity is extensively covered along with governance, social justice, and international relations. Polity-related questions contribute 80 to 100 marks out of 250. Not only in GS Paper 2 but also in the essay paper, polity can be a lifesaver, as many essay topics and ethics case studies relate to constitutional and governance issues. Before diving into the 15-day power strategy, it's essential to have the right study materials in place. Here's a carefully curated list of must-have resources. 1. The most recommended book. Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant remains the ultimate resource. It offers comprehensive coverage, conceptual clarity, and is simple to understand. This book is the top recommendation by teachers and toppers alike. 2. PYQs for both prelims and main. Practicing previous year's questions, PYQs, is crucial for understanding the exam pattern and question trend. To get PYQs free, click the link in the description. 3. Chapter-wise MCQs for prelims. Topic-wise practice questions enhance retention and boost accuracy in the objective section. To get 30 to 100 chapter-wise MCQs, click the link in the description. Important points to note. 1. You might wonder why NCERT books are not included in this. The reason is simple. Indian Polity by Lakshmikant is highly comprehensive and elaborates on everything covered in the NCERT books. 2. This book list assumes that you regularly read newspapers, The Hindu, or Indian Express, to stay updated on current developments, as well as Yojana and Kurukshetra magazines to gain insights into various government schemes and policies. Additionally, a monthly current affairs magazine from any coaching institute of your choice will help cover any missed topics. 3. You need to supplement this 15-day plan with answer writing practice for the mains exam at a later stage, ideally after completing all subjects. Video classes. To make our 15-day strategy more effective, we need to supplement it with video classes. Before starting your 15-day study cycle, it's advisable to watch a few videos and determine which option suits you best. You can choose from the following two options. Option 1. Stick to one teacher. Select a single instructor's class for all chapters, either free or paid from their institute. Option 2. Mix and match. Choose separate videos for each chapter by searching for the chapter name on YouTube just before starting that chapter. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Pick what works best for your learning style. Below are some recommended video classes. 1. Indian Polity with Dr. Siddharth Arora. UPSC Unstoppables by Unacademy. 2. Aspire IS offers a polity crash course. 3. Study IQ. GS Foundation recorded course, not polity alone. 4. Sleepy classes. Provides targeted courses like Complete Polity Crash for UPSC. 5. Complete Indian Polity in Hindi. Sampurn Bharat Ki Rajyavastha. 48. A video by Lalit Sir. Links to all these video classes are provided in the description. Previous year questions, PYQs, a crucial part of the 15-day strategy. You should glance through them to understand how questions are framed in both prelims and mains. Get the last 10 years prelims PYQs free from this YouTube channel. Click the link provided in the description to download. No registration required. For mains PYQs, Vajiram and Ravi provides a complete set of mains PYQs. Link in the description. Or Drishti IS offers PYQs along with solutions for some questions. Link in the description. How to approach mains PYQs. While reviewing mains questions, don't stress about how to answer them just yet. Your goal at this stage is simply to understand how questions are framed in the mains exam. Once you complete your foundation building process, you can begin answer writing practice, which will help you master mains style answers later. Before getting into the 15 days strategy, let us understand why is it a 15-day strategy. The reason is logical. Let's break it down. Lakshmikant's Indian Polity is a comprehensive book with 830 pages, each containing an average of 550 words, making a total of approximately 456,500 words. Given that the average reading speed of an average IS aspirant is 250 words per minute, one could theoretically finish reading the book in just 31 hours. If a student dedicates 10 hours per day, they could complete it in just 3 days. However, this is not a novel. It's a dense study book that requires thorough understanding and retention. A realistic approach is to take at least 5 times longer for deep comprehension, extending the study cycle to 15 days for effective learning. Now let us get into the 15 days strategy. This is an efficient 6-step action plan for mastering Lakshmikant in 15 days. Step 1. Read the chapter slowly and carefully to grasp the key concept. Focus on understanding rather than memorizing. Step 2. Read the chapter again, but this time, underline important points with a pencil. Write short margin notes for quick recall. Step 3. Watch a video explanation. Watching a reliable YouTube lecture or a coaching class will reinforce concepts and clarify doubts. Step 4. Solve chapter-wise MCQs to check your understanding. Analyze mistakes and note down tricky questions for later revision. Step 5. Write down key takeaways in 15 minutes. Spend just 15 minutes writing key points from the chapter. Don't copy the book word for word. Summarize in your own words. Store these notes in a separate file for quick revision. Step 6. Before moving to the next chapter, do a quick 5-minute skim of the chapter. Ensure that you now have the confidence to say, "Yes, I have learned this properly." Follow this plan, and you'll master Lakshmikant effectively in just 15 days. Subscribe to this channel for exclusive topper insights, expert strategies, and the smartest IAS preparation tips. Stay ahead in your journey to success.